Welcome back to Arxflix. Today, we're diving into an intriguing paper titled, Let's Verify Step by Step. This work focuses on improving the reliability of large language models in multi-step reasoning tasks, a topic of great importance in deep learning research. Right off the bat, here's a look at the interface used to collect feedback for each step in the solution. But why does this matter? Let's break it down. The key concept is the comparison between two methods of training reward models: outcome supervision and process supervision. Outcome supervision provides feedback only on the final result of a reasoning chain, whereas process supervision provides feedback for each intermediate step. Take a look at this figure. The left solution is correct and has a high PRM score, while the right one is incorrect and is flagged by the PRM. This precision in identifying errors is the strength of process supervision. The authors conducted extensive experiments using the challenging math dataset. They found that process supervision significantly outperforms outcome supervision. In fact, their process-supervised model solved 78% of problems from a representative test subset. That's an impressive 78.2%. Furthermore, they investigated the use of active learning, which led to a 2.6x improvement in data efficiency for process supervision. Here's a comparative performance graph showing that PRMs outshine RMs as the number of solutions increases. Now, let's talk about active learning. The authors selectively chose solutions that were more likely to mislead the reward model for human feedback, making the process of training even more efficient. In this figure, we see that models trained with active learning require significantly less data for the same level of performance. The study also evaluated out-of-distribution generalization using recent STEM test problems. Interestingly, the process-supervised models still outperformed outcome-supervised models, which proves their robustness. For example, in AP Calculus, the PRM achieved an 86.7% success rate. Process supervision provides precise feedback for each step, making it easier for the model to learn where it went wrong. This resolves the so-called credit assignment problem better than outcome supervision. Furthermore, process supervision encourages interpretable reasoning, which is crucial for AI alignment. In summary, this paper demonstrates that process supervision not only improves model reliability, but also makes the training process more efficient. The authors released PRM-0K, a dataset containing 800,000 step-level human feedback labels, to spur further research in this area. That's a wrap for today. Stay tuned to Arxflix for more breakdowns of cutting-edge research. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you love this content. See you next time. Outro music. End screen with credits and subscription prompt. Thanks a lot to Element for supporting Arxflix and providing this wonderful voice.